Hey everyone, it's Georgia here with Mobile Homes by Georgia, and I've got a really exciting tour for you guys today. Right now we're taking a look at the Stevens. Now this is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom double wide built by New Vision, and you guys just took a look at that exterior that is super unique from what I have shown. Now right when you come in, you're greeted by this really nice entryway. I love those hooks, perfect for your jackets, and those cubbies will be great for your shoes. Now we've got the living room right here. And I love all of the natural light that you've got coming into here. That's probably my favorite feature about this house is all of the windows that you have throughout. So we've got a really great sized kitchen in here. And then I love that you do have an additional pantry. You've got that sliding barn door that covers that, but also looks really nice as well. Now you've got some deep storage in here. I love that you already have the shelves in there. And then these stainless steel appliances do come with the purchase of your house. So in the island, you've got your dishwasher, that single bowl farmhouse sink. And then you guys do have the option to do a gas range. Now stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll be going out onto that porch and showing you guys the back side of the house. Now over here, we're gonna have our laundry room, again with another barn door going across it. And then you've got so much storage in here. You guys do have the option to take out those cabinets and put in a deep freeze. And then I love that you've got this additional closet. And then washer and dryer go on either side of that built-in. And then again, more natural light in here. So coming out, we've got the living room again. Those beautiful windows definitely makes this space feel a little bit larger than it really is. Then you've got your entertainment center here with some nice built-ins. Perfect for showing off your photos or any other knickknacks that you like. Now you guys can absolutely change out the flooring, the wall color, the cabinets, the countertops. All of that fun stuff can be customized to your liking. You don't have quite as many options with New Vision, but you definitely do have a few to choose from. Now we're gonna be in your first guest bedroom, and the sizes of these rooms are really great. That's not always something that you see in a smaller double wide. That's gonna be 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, but these ones are great. Now I've got some extra parts in here, but I wanted to make sure you guys saw this room. Again, a really deep closet in here as well. Now I love that you've got some additional storage right here. You can never have too much storage. And then we've got your guest bathroom. So that space would have been perfect for having some extra towels or linens. You've just got one sink in here, but tons of countertop space. And then here is a look at your built-in shower tub combo. Now, if you guys want to see this house in person, I'm located at 3500 East Texas Street, Bossier City, Louisiana, and we deliver up to 150 miles. So if you guys come by or call in, make sure to ask for Georgia, as I would love to help you get into a new home. Now, on this side of the house, we're going to have your master bedroom. I love that there's a little bit of that division between the master and the guest bedrooms. Now, it's a really great size as well. So here is a look at your closet, and you guys could always add in a second row of shelving in here. Then you've even got a little bit more space behind the door. So let's take a look at this master bathroom. It really has every feature that you could want. Tons of storage, your dual sinks. You've got your water closet in here with some more natural light. If you guys couldn't tell, I'm definitely a big fan of natural light. I just think it makes the space feel so much more welcoming and airy. Now here is a look at your tiled shower. Now right there is where your piece of glass would go that's in that box. And then I love this standalone tub. So many of our houses are shown with the deck tubs, but I love that you get to see this one right here. Now, if you guys are outside of that 150-mile delivery range, Definitely check out the links in my bio because we have regional home locations all over the Southeast that can help you out and can get you this house. Now, like I said, I'm going to take you guys out onto this porch. Now, this was an add-on. This isn't something that would typically come with your house, but we've got an amazing contractor that can build pretty much any size you want. Now, this house isn't built with your traditional vinyl, as you would see on a lot of our other homes. This is actually going to be a smart paneling, which is a super durable material that lasts for a really long time, has a great warranty on it, and the best part is that it can always be painted over. Definitely let me know what you think about this house in the comments down below. Have a great day, everyone.